As you can see, we have a new meme token on the Base blockchain. Of course, you know, Base is the layer 2 for ETH. Let's get into it. So Base Street Bets, BSB for the people by the people. So we're going to do the review as we always do. Who are we? We are a decentralized meme coin on the Base chain, the hottest crypto chain in 2024. Because if you don't know, now you know. Our ticker is BSB, and we are inspired by the infamous Wall Street Bets subreddit. Now, if you already know what they did with GameStop, then enough said. We are and always will be a community-run project. Here you can see the contract address right here. Always ensure you have the right one. You don't want to be buying one on a different chain or even one on the same chain that is not the one that you want. We are all the dev. We are all based. And of course, you got the ticker symbol here like it's on the stock market. Look, see how it stops when you hover on it. Scroll on down, you got the charts. We're going to check that in a second. Now, the socials. If you are going to be an investor in the BSB, please be engaged with at least one of the socials so you can always know what's going on. Because KRS1, knowledge reigns supreme over nearly everyone. If you're old school, you know who KRS1 is. Edutainment. You have Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, Discord, TikTok, Instagram, and I can't remember what this one is. I don't know why it's saying Instagram as well. And this one is Instagram. I don't know. I forgot what this one is called. Is that Medium? I don't know. Maybe. Let's scroll down to see over here. There's a video of their anthem. You wouldn't be able to hear it, so I'm not even going to play it. And then you got to Pump It Up by BSB. Then they have the partnerships. Let me do a hard refresh and see why the partnerships, unless they haven't formed yet. I'm just waiting for it to refresh. And then we're going to scroll on down here. Just waiting for it to refresh. Okay. Oops. That jumped to the roadmap. Okay, the charts and the social. Okay, so the Base Street Bets, partnerships and utilities. Okay, see? That's what I'm saying. The meme coins in 2024 come in different. They're not just coming with just, a character, dog, cat, or whatever. They're coming with utility. Okay. So March 2024, token issue. BSB released, dev dumped and ran. The community took it over. So then in April, right here, the Gateway to Mars ETH, partnership with GTM. Then here, another one, the Chucky Records on Base, Pugsy Poker Platform on Base. Oh, these are the partnerships. Okay. Then, okay. So you got the token issue, then you got the partnerships. You have 3 partnerships, the Chucky Records, the Gateway to Mars on ETH, and the Pugsy Poker Platform on Base. Then you have the partnerships. There's more partners planned. The NFT collection on OpenSea, the Poker Platform, which I just mentioned here. Then the one here. Then the BSB merchandise store, the competitive play to earn arcade, and the AI predictive sports betting. All right, let's scroll on down. Then the marketing and promotions, the token issue, the action, AMAs, coming listings, which was CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Moontalk Express. Then, of course, all the major platforms, then the global marketing. And then coming soon is the live promotions at the largest venues in the USA with the Chucky Records. All right, they got a plan. The LP has been burnt. Contract has been announced. No buy tax nor sell tax. 0% chance of a rug. You got hashtag F the rugs. 100% community ran. The community alpha group has 19 holders, 100% based on the Base blockchain. Then, like I said, you had the contact here. Of course, I just went through this line here. You have Uniswap, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and the Dex Screener. All right, so that's it for the Bay Street Bets. Now let's take a peek at the current price before we go to check on Twitter. So as we can see here, the current price is 0.00040. 3847. As you can see, it had a nice little dip and a nice bump up. How many holders we got? 2,459 holders. All right. So it's all looking good there. Now let's go out and take a look at the socials. Bay Street Bets. Let's see what's new. So on the first, the BSB official links, of course, the website. I will have all the links in the description as well. The Telegram channel, the YouTube, how to buy on Uniswap. Scroll down, see what else is going on. Okay, huge thank you to Wall Street Bets for the follow back. Oh, so Wall Street Bets followed back to Bay Street Bets. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Excuse me. Big fan of your content, and hopefully you're a fan of ours. Join the movement. Oh, that's cool. So you can see it right here. Wall Street Bets follows. Solana Street Bets follows you. So all the street bets are following. That's cool. Hey, it's all big one happy family. Tune in today there was an AMA on the 2nd of May. Was the Obey Spaces. Okay. That looked like a blue Angry Bird and a duck. Okay. Good Morning Base presents BSB, Cret, Pepe, and GMB. The future is meme. Okay, then let's go into a few thank yous there. Okay, what we got here? Exciting news for the BSB community. We would like to welcome a Docs dev to the BSB family, Active Esh. Esh will act as an advisor and liaison to the project. His experience and knowledge within the crypto space is unmatched, well known by all. Okay, welcome. For any of you doubting us and our mission, watch this short introduction into BSB and then ask yourself, why haven't I aped this yet? Join the movement. Let me click. I'm not sure you guys can hear that. I'm going to put the link in the description for the video there because sometimes you can hear it and sometimes you can't. And I don't want to sit here and acting like you can hear it and then come to find out that I can't or that you can't. Okay, they're talking about a massive week ahead. Get ready for a massive week ahead. Load your bags, strap in, and LFG. Well, we ain't worrying about the Jeets. Okay, join the F the Rug campaign. We want to hear your story. The project name, ticker, any all information on the dev of the team, how you were financially impacted, any signs that it was a rug from the start. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can go all the way back to Cryptera back in 2018. We're not even, oh man. Okay, then they have a couple of reviews. This is my boy Mike the Investor. Shout out. If you don't follow his channel, you definitely need to follow his channel. Then, of course, some AMAs. All right, I just wanted to get the word out on the streets about the Bay Streets bets. So we went over the website. Of course, a lot of the memes don't have a white paper. So we went over the website. We took a look at the charts and we looked at the socials. Again, KRS1 knowledge reigns supreme over nearly everyone. As always, this is for informational and educational purposes only. This is never intended as any type of financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here to share information on BSB for my legends so that you, like I say, it's all about options. And for us to pick the right meme token for 2024, you got to do your own research and get in where you fit in. So, as always, all I ask is that you please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to all of the legends out there, BSB and engage.